I would like to thank you for choosing the University of Benin Teaching Hospital, UBTH, for your care. Welcome to the General Practice Clinic, GPC. The General Practice Clinic houses several outpatient departments, family medicine, public health and community medicine, and the NHIS Primary Care Clinic. The clinic offers various services to better provide our patients with suitable care and support during and after their visit to the clinic. In this short video, we'll guide you on how to navigate your way around the clinic as a new patient. Let's get started. The clinic opens from 8 a.m. through to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, and 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for Saturdays, Sundays, and public holidays. On arrival, new patients are required to move to the help desk to get assigned numbers for a lineup at the payment point. But note, at the payment point, the health assistant may create separate queues according to the urgency of care. Please endeavor to cooperate as much as possible. After payment is complete, kindly move to the medical records counter section for registration and capturing. Then, you're required to wait a moment for the registration slip to be processed. Afterwards, you'll be called to the observation desk by the health assistant to be observed by the public health nurse present. After being observed, you'll be assigned a consultant doctor and directed to the respective consultation room. On seeing the doctor, if there is need for follow-up investigations, you'll be referred to the laboratory, then to the pharmacy to obtain medications, or if need be, to another clinic or ward within the hospital. The doctor will inform you of a follow-up appointment if required. You'll be expected to book the appointment at the medical records counter section. For patients visiting the NHIS Primary Care Clinic, you are required to go with your NHIS registration printout to the medical records office at the left section of the clinic. The following processes mentioned above also apply to you. Please remember, all payment are to be made at designated pay points only, and not to any unauthorized personnel. Throughout your stay, the entire staff of GPC is available to support and care for you. Thank you.